Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by meeting only essentials and then acting. Install a supported Unity version and the ads package because the SDK powers reward flow. Next, link your project to Unity services and enable ads. You need the game ID for platform builds. Once done, import the rewarded ad sample or prefab so you have a working template. Then, add monetization. Initialize game ID or advertisement. Initialize game ID in your startup script so the SDK is ready before you request an ad. You now implement the core: load, show, and reward. Write a rewarded ad manager that calls advertisement. Load with your rewarded placement ID and register load callbacks to know when the ad is ready. When ready, call advertisement. Show with a show listener. Handle on Unity ads show complete to detect the completed view and grant the reward. Make sure to handle on Unity ads, failed to load and failures by retrying with exponential backoff, so users don't see long waits or errors during gameplay. You finish by thoroughly testing and preparing for release. Build to a real device with test ads enabled and verify the full flow: load, show, complete, and reward. Once done, swap to your production game ID only when stable. Make sure reward logic is idempotent so users can't get double grants if callbacks fire twice. If something goes wrong, check logs for load/show errors and implement a single retry with exponential backoff. This fixes most intermittent network or initialization issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.